Have you been to the Central Mid Levels Escalator? The Central Mid Levels Escalator is the longest outdoor covered escalator system in the world. It runs from the Hang Seng Bank in Devoe Road Central to Conduit Road in the mid-levels. It passes through many narrow streets, like Cochrane Street, Hollywood Road, Shelley Street, Elgin Street, and Robinson Road. It also passes through the Soho, where restaurants and bars are concentrated. The escalator system, linking the mid-levels with the CBD in Central District, is 800 meters long, with a vertical climb of 135 meters. It takes about 20 minutes to complete the journey. You may notice that the slope where the escalator runs along is rather steep. You can imagine how difficult it can be for local residents to go uphill or downhill on foot. Therefore, motor vehicles were commonly used. However, roads linking Central District and the mid-levels are mostly narrow and are of 1 or 2 lanes. Traffic congestion was therefore common during rush hour before the construction of the escalator. In order to assist residents in the mid-levels to commute, the government constructed the escalator, which was opened in 1993. The escalator runs downhill from 6 to 10 in the morning to bring residents downhill for school and for work. It then runs uphill until midnight to take residents home. Since the opening of the system, many residents choose to commute on foot. This greatly reduces the traffic flow there. At the same time, the escalator also helps separate pedestrians and vehicles. This reduces traffic accidents and enhances road safety. The escalator has a number of entrances and exits along its route. This allows people to visit the shops and restaurants running along the 2 sides of the escalator. It has become a tourist attraction in Central District. As a way to attract tourists, the MTR Corporation has installed an MTR Fare Saver in the midway to provide fare discount. To conclude, as a means of transport, taking people up and down the slope, the escalator enhances road safety and reduces traffic flow. It also helps develop the surrounding areas into a tourist attraction and boost local economy.